Hello guys, this is Vastav and I am with a summary of what we have learned in the last lecture. So in this lecture we will basically summarize them one by one. What is white hat, black hat, white hat versus black hat, on page versus off page. Let's get started. So what is white hat? White hat SEO is something that contribute to rank your website at higher result, at higher search rank, but by following Google guidelines. Okay, and black hat SEO is something that contribute to higher search engine result ranking of your website, but by not following the Google guidelines. Okay, now the techniques in white hat SEO means you have done proper keyword research. In black hat SEO you are doing keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means entering so many keywords for in a post that is not desirable. Second could be the content quality. You have qualitative content. In the black hat SEO you have unrelated keywords, means the content that you have written is not the keyword that you have used in the content, that is not entirely related to what your post is about. Okay, so basically the white hat SEO follows the Google search engine guidelines and make the user happy when they come on the website, whereas black hat SEO do not follow the search engine guidelines and hence do not achieve the user satisfaction, increases the bounce rate, and in the result Google throw you away from the what your rank earlier was. Okay, so difference, technique, definition, you can get in-depth analysis from the last lecture or by visiting the web theory link that I will given you to in the description. Okay, let's just move on ahead. So what is on page SEO? On page is something that we do on the page, means by properly optimizing the title, properly optimizing the heading tag, properly implying the alt text to the images, the content should be qualitative, properly doing keyword research, all the stuff that we're doing on the page. Importance is same. Okay, if you have a stronger on page, then your off page campaign is going to work, otherwise it will not work properly. Then we have techniques involved. We have various techniques as I have already introduced: title optimization, heading optimization, alt text optimization, together known as site optimization, is what on page is all about. Tools involved, basically iWeb check is a tool through which your on page could be improved. We have various alt tags optimization tools, the tools you can search on the Google, the top 3 or 4 you can pick. Okay, we have Google Search Console and analytics as well on page. So when we are doing the in-depth analysis of on page in the upcoming lecture, I will give you an overview on Google Search Console and analytics as well. So Search Console is something that give you an idea on your website performance. Okay, how many web pages have been fetched properly. If there is any issue ongoing on any of the web page, it will basically give you an email, or when you visit your on Search Console or Google Webmaster account, then you will see a message there: look man, your website having a crawling issue, that page we are not able to crawl, you have not properly inserted the sitemap, you have not properly inserted the robo.txt. So these are the technical terms. I will not go in depth at this point of time, but yeah, in the upcoming lecture we will do an in-depth analysis of it. Analytics, Google Analytics is something that is a spy agent, which monitor your user activity on the website. This is monitoring your website performance. This is monitoring user activity on the website, means the user comes at which page it comes. This is the landing page. Okay, user comes, which search query did he type, okay, which language did he speak, whether he is male or female. So this is all about Google Analytics, and this is about Search Console. It's a very big topic we'll cover in the upcoming lecture. Then we read about the difference between the on page and off page. On page, that involves title tag optimization and basically improving the content of your website, and this basically improves the link building approach. Link should be qualitative, okay, should not be quantitative, should be qualitative. Okay, so this should be your focus area while doing on page SEO. Thank you so much.